Is your garage door struggling to open or closing unexpectedly? You're not alone in Fort Worth, Texas. Common issues include broken springs, misaligned tracks, malfunctioning openers, and worn-out rollers. Each can escalate quickly. Broken garage door springs are frequent culprits that can leave your door immobilized, leaving you frustrated and stranded. Signs of a broken spring include loud snapping sounds and difficulty operating the door manually. Safety first is key. Misaligned or bent tracks can prevent your garage door from closing properly, often resulting in it getting stuck mid-motion. A malfunctioning garage door opener could mean trouble. Issues range from electrical faults to misaligned sensors that hamper operations. Worn-out rollers lead to noisy and jerky movements, straining not just the door but also the opener over time. Damaged garage door panels affect both appearance and functionality, creating issues like reduced insulation and structural weaknesses. If your garage door is noisy, it might be due to loose hardware or a lack of lubrication that needs addressing promptly. Hiring a professional for repairs ensures your garage door functions well, providing security and convenience in your daily life.